Okay, we are talking Seint Eyeshadows. We have a variety of eyeshadows available. Our eyeshadows also come in our small magnetic tins that can be popped in and out of your palette, which makes for great customizing if you're wanting to switch something out, to throw this in an overnight bag, or if you're changing out your colors for the season. It's super easy to do. Our pressed powdered shadows are $12 per tin. Again, highly pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. A variety of color options. We also have options such as matte, shimmers, and a few cream shadows as well. Add in one of our detailed brushes, our multitasker brush, our eyeshadow brush, and you have the perfect little eye kit. So if you're looking for suggestions on color combos or great colors that will go with your eyes, let me know and I would love to pass those your way.